everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about NotebookLM powered by Google. In this video, first we'll explore what NotebookLM is and why it is so useful. Then we'll dive into a thrilling demo where I will walk you through the website, make a study guide with the help of resources, and finally we'll create an audio podcast and much more. Stick around, you won't want to miss this ultimate beginner's guide. So let's get started. Picture this, a tool that not only helps you manage your notes but actually understands them, organizes them, and makes them work for you. That's NotebookLM, a groundbreaking creation from Google built with Gemini 2.0, designed to be your personal research partner. The LM stands for Language Model, a cutting-edge technology that dives into the content of your notes, helping you summarize, find answers, and connect ideas effortlessly. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket, simplifying your workload and making information more accessible and useful. But here's the real game changer. NotebookLM can create podcasts directly from your notes and resources. So you must be wondering why it is even useful. In today's world, we are drowning in information. Lecture notes, meeting minutes, project ideas, research papers, and more. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. NotebookLM steps in to point number 1 is summarize your notes. Quickly grasp the key takeaways from long documents, whether it's a research paper or meeting transcript. NotebookLM condenses it into digestible points. For example, you upload lecture notes and it highlights the main concepts for quick revision. Point number 2 is it answers your questions. Ask it anything about your content and NotebookLM finds the answer like a pro researcher. No endless searching needed. For example, ask what are the challenges of AI ethics, and it delivers a precise response from your notes. Point number 3 is generate insights. NotebookLM connects the dots you might have missed, offering fresh ideas and unique perspectives. For example, while brainstorming, it suggests the linking two overlooked concepts, sparking new innovation. The last but not the least, it creates podcasts. Turn your content into an engaging audio. NotebookLM converts your resources into a polished podcast so you can learn on the go. For example, you upload a research paper and it produces a podcast summarizing it in a conversational tone. After we have a basic understanding of the NotebookLM, let's dive into the demo. But before we move on, learn Generative AI on Machine Learning with a professional certificate program from IIT Guwahati's E&ICT Academy in collaboration with Simplilearn. This 11-month live online program led by IIT faculty and industry experts provides hands-on experience with 25 plus projects and 15 plus AI tools, including ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and TensorFlow. Gain skills in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, reinforcement learning, and computer vision and earn a prestigious certificate along with Executive Alumni Status from IIT Guwahati. Enjoy interactive masterclasses, hackathons by IBM, and a chance to join a campus immersion at IITG. Join now to accelerate your career with the cutting-edge AI program. Do check out the link in the description box below and pin comments. So, just write NotebookLM in the browser and you will land here. So this is the landing page and I will give you an overview of the website. Now when you come down, scroll down and you will get how people are using NotebookLM. It's power study, organize your thinking and sparking new ideas. Then you will also get some reviews, what people are saying, like NotebookLM blew our mind and basically all the good reviews. Now you can see this NotebookLM Plus. If you click on this, you will basically get the premium features and the subscription plans. So this is free for individuals to get started. And here, these are the points you will get if you subscribe for NotebookLM Plus. So I'll go back for this overview section and I will click on Try NotebookLM. So when you click on this, you will get here. You can go to settings and basically, I have created a dark mode because it is soothing. You can even create a device or a light mode. Now here, you can even click on this to get this type of view, and even you can click on these boxes to get a box type view. So basically, I will click on this create new, and as soon as I click on this, I get this to upload the sources. So I will just close this to show how it looks. So it looks good. Now it's time to upload the files. So basically, When you click on add source, you will get this. And when you scroll down, you will get three types of ways to upload the files: Google Drive, link, and paste text. And even you can find the source limit over here. Like when you upload sources, it should not be more than 50. So fine, I'll upload. I upload 3 medical reports. I'll upload another. Jane and Michael reports are done. I upload John. These are basically the random medical reports I have collected from the internet to just show you how it works. You can even add YouTube video links and even Drive links. Now, when you click on a particular report, you will get source guide, a summary basically, and even you will get some key topics. Now, if I brought this thing, you can see you will get some prompts over here already. There's a pre-written prompts, what factors contributed to Jane Smith's anemia diagnosis. So I will choose this. Now you can see it has provided an insight. Jane Smith's anemia diagnosis is based on her low hemoglobin level of 9.5. So this is basically a clickable one that it gives a reference to what it has taken from. She is also experiencing fatigue and pale skin, which are common symptoms of anemia. The same reference you can refer to. Basically, these are the proofs that it has taken all the insights from these 3 reports. So, now if you want NotebookLM to just ignore one particular report, you can basically unselect it from here. And if you want everything to get selected, click over here. So, when I have chosen this pre-selected prompt, it has basically used the resources provided and find the helpful insights for that particular resource. For example, you can see on the screen, and in some case, they will provide some content that will be a larger one, and they will even provide references for that. Mine one is very short, and so it has basically provided only one reference. You can even add sources by clicking on this, but remember, it should not exceed the level. I have only uploaded 3. You can add more 47. You can now even see that there is one, it is written save to note. Basically means you can save this answer for future reference. Like if I do save note, it will basically appear over here. Now, the best thing is you can even have a feedback of this particular response you have got. Maybe a good response or a bad response. You can even copy here and paste it in another place. This is very helpful for the students who study from different materials and may get puzzled writing down notes. So basically, they can save notes for future use, and even they can copy from here and paste it somewhere else. You can even delete this future note, like delete note, and you can delete. Now, if you see on the right section, you will see a note section over here. Now, you can even add a note. You can physically write down what you have understood, or maybe anything that is important to you, basically acting as your notepad. Now, coming to the surprising part, there is the studio over here. Previously, it was a notebook guide, but they have recently updated the features. It's basically like a guide for you, containing study guide, the briefing documents, FAQ, and the timeline. Now, if we click on briefing the document, it will create a brief document taking the help of the resources you have provided. So basically, you can get a brief document out of the 3 resources you have provided. So I'll click on this, and you can see John, Michael, and Jane. 3 of them are involved, and it has given an overview of all the 3 reports over here. So this is basically making a summary of these 3 reports. You can even get a study guide prepared for you that will clear out your idea even more. Now I'm very excited as I'm going to show a magical thing. This can actually convert your resources, rather the summaries, into a podcast. A podcast, if you don't know, is like a radio show you can listen to anytime online. It covers different topics like stories, discussions, or even informations you want to know. So, it is written audio overview, deep dive conversation of two hosts in English only. You can even customize it, but I will generate. It may take a few minutes, so just stick around. It's almost a 8 minutes audio of James Smith's anemia diagnosis. So we will hear that.
Okay, so we've got a stack of medical reports here.
All right.
And we're going to take a look at 3 different patients.
Sounds good.
We have Jane Smith. She's 29 years old.
Okay.
We've got John Doe. He is 45.
All right.
And we've got Michael Johnson, and he is 52.
Okay. A good spread.
Yeah. And, it's really interesting how these cases, even though they're at different stages of life,
Right.
kind of offers a window into some pretty common health challenges.
Yeah, definitely.
So are you ready to dive in?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay, so first up, we've got Jane Smith. And
Now, it's incredible how it actually turns the normal resources that I have provided, just 3 medical reports of Jane, John, and Michael, to a real podcast. So, all thanks to AI. It has made it conversational, and even you can get a whole overview of these 3 reports in a very conversational and like a podcast, real podcast way. Now, you can even click on these 3 dots and you can change the playback speed, and you can even download from here. And if you don't like it, you can even delete from here. It depends on your requirement. The best thing is you can even give your feedback and help it grow. That makes a sense because there is always a room to upgrade. Now you must be thinking why it is helpful. It can normally be used as a podcast maker, but it can also be helpful for the people who can even hear and remember concepts more than just by studying like a mundane routine. Let's suppose you have 50 sources. Now it might be difficult for you to read line by line and document by document. So it's better to generate a summary, even better to listen to a podcast and get an overview of all the sources. And that's how it works. It was definitely a heart-rending experience converting reports to a podcast. Now you must be thinking, who will get benefited by this Google NotebookLM? NotebookLM is for everyone who works with information. Students can simplify studying by summarizing notes and organize resources. Content creators can turn ideas into engaging podcasts or easily structure their research. Professionals can save time by managing reports, presentations, or complex data. Whether you are learning, creating, or working on big projects, NotebookLM helps you do it faster, smarter, and with less effort. So I can foresee that note making is about to hit new heights, and the way we have been doing it might soon be a thing of past with AI stepping in. Google NotebookLM is just the start of this exciting journey. It's still in its early stages, but only will get better from here. I'm thrilled to see the amazing things it can do, and I hope you are too. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video for sure. Till then, keep learning with Simplilearn. Thank you for watching.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.